Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl Munnoh. In this video I am going to show you how to make this long awaited video. You guys have been requesting for this Autogele video and I am going to show you how to make it from start to finish. If this is what you're interested in, please keep watching. Here are the materials that you need to achieve this Autogele. You need your Asooke fabric. Any Asooke will be fine. You need your scissors. You need your measuring tape. You need wadding, also known as felt. I am using the medium thickness. I'm not using the soft, neither am I using the very thick one. So this is medium thickness that I am using. I've gone ahead to cut out my felt just so that this video is not too long. So for the first one, I have 3 pieces cut out and the measurement for that is 21 inches by 2 inches. So it is 21 inches long and 2 inches wide. Okay, that's for that first one I'm holding. It is 3 pieces, please don't forget that. So for the second one, I have 24 inches cut out in 2 places. So the width for all of them is 2 inches. Only the length differs. So that one is 24 inches in 2 places. The next one after that is 28 inches in 2 places. And the next after that is 32 inches in 2 places. Now you can adjust the measurement to your liking. For mine, I am making 9 steps. I'm making 9 steps for my own Autogele. So if you're making less than that, you might want to adjust the length of each felt, because you know that the higher the gele goes, the more fabric you will need for it to round out to the back. I'm truly sorry for the poor quality of this video. I didn't have good lighting to work with, so please guys just bear with me for this one. I promise that other ones will be better than this. You guys have been waiting for this video, and if I keep promising to make another one, I might never get around to it, so I just had to post this video like that. Now what you see me holding is the strips that I'm going to be using to cover the felt that we cut out earlier. The measurement for each strip is 38 inches by 2.5. To get your 2.5, what I did was to fold my Asooke into 2 equal halves and then cut it into the desired measurement. Okay, now moving on to the covering of the felt, I put my felt in the middle of my Asooke like so, making sure that I leave out some space at both ends. Okay, so and then I fold it inwards like this and fold the other end over it. Just watch what I'm doing and you will get it. When I fold it this way, I will take it to my sewing machine and then stitch it all the way down. So I'm going to do that for 8 of the felts, leaving out the last one. So remember that I am making 9 pleats for this Autogele. So I will cover 8 of them like this. The last pleat that is going to be on top, that is one of the 32 inches, I will leave it uncovered. I'm going to show you how to do that one later. But for this ones, for the other 8, make sure that you stitch all of them. So this is the last felt for the last pleat. I'm going to fold it in the same way that I did for the other one, but this time I'm not going to be doing it together with the Asooke, just the felt. Fold it the same way you did the other one and then stitch it all the way down. So this is, I am done stitching all of them. You can see how I covered the other ones with the Asooke neatly, and the last one is just the felt without the Asooke. I'm going to show you how you would cover up that one with your Asooke. Remember, do not stitch the last pleat. Don't sew it with your sewing machine because the sewing will show. So for the last one, I'm going to be using my needle and thread instead of my sewing machine. So you place it between the Asooke, cover it up the same way you did the other one. Okay, so fold it over each other like this and then use your needle and thread to sew only at the center, making sure that the sewing does not come through. You can also use your UHU gum or your hot glue gun for this part, but because I like a neat finish, I prefer to use my needle and thread for this part. Okay, so Do whatever works for you, all right? It is time to arrange the pleats. So you would start with the shortest one, which is 21 inches, and you keep going until you have arranged all the pleats on top of each other. Note that at this point I have not started tacking anything. Okay, so if you do not know how to make your Autogele base, please go back to my channel, or I'm going to leave a link to how to make an Autogele base in this video. So go and learn how to make your Autogele base before this one. It's going to help you a great deal. So I'm going to be using my pins to hold down the pleats as I arrange them on top of each other. If you prefer, you can use your hot glue gun to hold the pleats together, or you can use your UHU gum to hold them together, but I always prefer the sewing method. So I always prefer my needle and thread because it is stronger, it gives it will last longer for your client, and it gives a cleaner finish. All right, so do whatever works for you. Actually, just keep stacking the pleats on top of each other, following the length. Remember that we had a sequence for the length, so follow that so that you don't have anyone finishing where it's not supposed to finish. Everything is supposed to round off to the back. If you made it up to this point and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel so that you can become a part of this awesome family. When you do, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos I post. Did you notice that I also have a paid membership part of this channel? So if you want to join that channel, please join my membership channel. All right, so I make more advanced Autogeles, more trending Autogele styles. If it's difficult for you, send it to me. I'm going to make it for my members only. Okay, I still post Autogeles here. The more advanced Autogele styles goes for my members only. All right, so please join my membership. Mark chapter 8 verse 36 says, "What shall it profit a man if he gains the whole world and lose his own soul?" Jesus is interested in everything you do. He's interested in your business, and he's interested in your success. Give him a chance today. After stacking all your pleats together, you can now go ahead and use your needle and thread to tack. Remember that the one we did with needle and thread is the one that will be on top. After tacking securely, go ahead and attach the straps for tying. The straps for tying is usually between 12 to 14 inches. Attach that and you are good to go. Thank you so much for joining with me on this video. I'll see you in my next one.